is more than just calories. It's information. Information that can shape your health, your energy levels, and even your mood. When you choose what to eat, you're essentially choosing how you want your body to function. Information that tells your body how to function, how to heal, and how to thrive. The right foods can boost your immune system, improve your mental clarity, and give you the energy to tackle your day. But in today's world of processed and packaged foods, that information can be obscured. These foods often contain hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients that can confuse your body's natural processes. That's where nutrition labels come in. They are designed to give you a clear picture of what you're consuming, but they can be tricky to understand if you don't know what to look for. They are your window into what you're really eating. By paying attention to serving sizes, ingredient lists, and nutrient content, you can make more informed choices. By learning to decode these labels, you can make informed choices about the food you put into your body. This knowledge empowers you to avoid harmful ingredients and choose foods that support your health goals. It's time to take control of your health, one label at a time. Start by familiarizing yourself with common terms and what they mean. For example, low fat doesn't always mean healthy, and natural doesn't always mean nutritious. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to make healthier, more conscious food choices. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the grocery store and make choices that benefit your body and mind. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the secrets behind those labels. Join a community, take a class, or simply start reading more about nutrition. The more you engage, the more confident you'll become in your choices. It's simpler than you might think, and the rewards are immense. Imagine feeling more energetic, more focused, and more in control of your health. It all starts with understanding what's on your plate. Sugar hides in plain sight, often under different names. It's not just the white granules you add to your coffee or sprinkle on your cereal. Sugar can be found in a multitude of forms and is often disguised under various aliases. This makes it challenging for consumers to identify and avoid it. Food manufacturers add it to enhance flavor and keep us coming back for more. It's a cheap way to make products more palatable and extend their shelf life. From sauces to bread, and even savory snacks, sugar is everywhere. But excess sugar is a major culprit in many health problems. It contributes to obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even certain cancers. The impact on our health is profound and often underestimated. Don't be fooled by terms like cane sugar, agave, or evaporated cane juice. These are just different forms of sugar, and they have similar effects on your body. The food industry uses these terms to make products seem healthier than they are. These are just fancy names for sugar. Whether it's called high fructose corn syrup, maltose, or dextrose, it's still sugar. The key is to recognize these names and understand that they all contribute to your daily sugar intake. Check the ingredient list carefully. Ingredients are listed in descending order of quantity, so if sugar is one of the first few ingredients, the product is likely high in sugar. Ingredients are listed in descending order of quantity. This means the first few ingredients make up the bulk of the product. If sugar is listed near the top, it's a red flag that the product contains a significant amount of sugar. If you see sugar listed near the beginning, it's a red flag. This indicates that the product is likely high in sugar, even if it doesn't taste overly sweet. Always be cautious and look for hidden sugars. Remember, even seemingly healthy products like yogurt or granola bars can be loaded with hidden sugars. These products are often marketed as healthy options, but they can contain just as much sugar as a candy bar. Be a detective and read those labels. Understanding what you're consuming is the first step to making healthier choices. By being vigilant and informed, you can reduce your sugar intake and improve your overall health. Fat is an essential nutrient, but not all fats are created equal. Some fats are good for you, while others can harm your health. Look for unsaturated fats on the label. These are generally considered healthy fats found in foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Avoid trans fats, often listed as partially hydrogenated oil. These are man-made fats that can raise bad cholesterol and increase the risk of heart disease. Saturated fat should be consumed in moderation. While not as harmful as trans fats, excessive consumption can still impact your health. Food packaging can be misleading. Companies use clever marketing tactics to make their products seem healthier than they are. Beware of buzzwords like low-fat, sugar-free, or natural. These terms are often used loosely and don't always reflect the true nutritional value of a product. Low-fat products, for instance, may compensate for reduced fat by adding more sugar or salt. Always check the nutrition label to see the complete picture. Remember, the front of the package is advertising. The nutrition label is the truth. Don't be swayed by clever marketing. Trust your own judgment. Section 5. Serving size. Savvy. Understanding portion control. Serving size information is crucial for understanding how many calories and nutrients you're actually consuming. It's not just about the numbers on the label, but about how those numbers translate to what you put on your plate. Many people overlook this vital information, leading to unintentional overeating or underestimating their intake. Manufacturers often use unrealistically small serving sizes to make their products appear healthier. This can be misleading, as the actual amount you consume might be much larger. For example, a serving size might be listed as just a few chips, but who stops at just a few? This tactic can make high-calorie, high-fat foods seem more diet-friendly than they really are. Pay close attention to the serving size listed on the label and how many servings are in the package. This is especially important for foods that are easy to snack on, like chips or cookies. If a package contains multiple servings, it's easy to consume more than you intended without realizing it. If a bag of chips lists a serving size as 1 ounce, but the bag contains 10 ounces, you're potentially consuming 10 times the calories and fat listed on the label. This can add up quickly, especially if you're not paying attention. It's easy to eat more than 1 serving in a single sitting, which can derail your dietary goals. Be mindful of your portions, and don't rely solely on the package's serving size suggestions. Instead, take control of your portions by measuring them out yourself. This can help you stay on track with your nutritional goals and avoid overeating. Use measuring cups, food scales, or your hand as a guide to estimate appropriate portions. For example, a serving of meat should be about the size of your palm, while a serving of pasta should fit in your cupped hand. These visual cues can help you maintain a balanced diet without the need for constant measuring. Remember, portion control is not about depriving yourself, but about making informed choices. By understanding and managing your portions, you can enjoy a variety of foods while still meeting your health and fitness goals. It's all about balance and mindfulness. Section 6. The ingredient list, your secret weapon. The ingredient list can tell you a lot about a product. It lists all the ingredients in descending order of weight. This means the first ingredient makes up the largest proportion of the product. A good rule of thumb is to look for products with recognizable, whole food ingredients. If you can't pronounce most of the ingredients, it's probably best to avoid it. Be wary of long ingredient lists with numerous additives, preservatives, and artificial ingredients. These are often signs of highly processed foods that offer little nutritional value. Section 7. Navigate food labels with confidence. Decoding nutrition labels doesn't have to be overwhelming. With a little practice, it becomes second nature. Start by focusing on the key elements: serving size, calories, fat, sugar, and the ingredient list. Don't be afraid to ask questions. If you're unsure about an ingredient or a claim on the label, look it up online or consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian. The more you read labels, the more informed choices you'll make. It's an investment in your health that pays off in the long run. Section 8. Small changes, big impact, making healthier choices. You don't have to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Start by making small, gradual changes. Swap sugary drinks for water or unsweetened tea. Choose whole fruits instead of fruit juice. Opt for baked or grilled foods over fried options. Read labels carefully and compare products before you buy. Look for options with lower sugar, unhealthy fats, and sodium content. Choose products with shorter ingredient lists and recognizable whole food ingredients. Remember, every small change adds up. By making conscious choices, you're taking control of your health and well-being. Section 9. Reclaiming your food. Cook more, eat real food. The best way to truly know what's in your food is to cook it yourself. When you cook at home, you control the ingredients and the preparation methods. Start by incorporating more whole, unprocessed foods into your diet. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats should form the foundation of your meals. Cooking doesn't have to be complicated. There are plenty of simple, healthy recipes available online and in cookbooks. Experiment in the kitchen, involve your family, and rediscover the joy of eating real food.